The custom keto diet is a personalized approach to nutrition that has gained popularity for its numerous benefits. It involves creating a meal plan tailored to an individual's specific needs and goals, with a focus on low-carbohydrate and high-fat foods. One of the main benefits of the custom keto diet is weight loss. By restricting carbohydrate intake and increasing fat consumption, the body enters a state called ketosis. In ketosis, the body starts burning stored fat for energy instead of carbs, leading to faster and more efficient fat loss. Additionally, the custom keto diet is known to improve metabolism. When the body is in ketosis, it becomes more effective at utilizing fats for energy, which can lead to a boost in metabolic rate. This means that even when at rest, individuals on the custom keto diet can burn more calories than those on a traditional high-carb diet. Another advantage of the custom keto diet is its impact on hunger and cravings. By consuming healthy fats, protein, and fibrous vegetables, the custom keto diet helps to keep individuals feeling full and satisfied for longer periods. This can reduce snacking and overeating, leading to a decrease in overall calorie consumption. Moreover, many people on the custom keto diet report increased mental clarity and focus. This is because ketones, the byproduct of fat metabolism in ketosis, are believed to provide a more stable source of fuel for the brain compared to glucose from carbohydrates. Furthermore, the custom keto diet has been shown to have positive effects on various health conditions. It has been found to help regulate blood sugar levels, making it particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. It may also improve heart health by reducing risk factors such as high blood pressure, cholesterol, and triglyceride levels. In conclusion, the custom keto diet offers a range of benefits including weight loss, improved metabolism, reduced hunger and cravings, enhanced mental clarity, and potential positive effects on various health conditions. Its individualized approach makes it a popular choice for those seeking a personalized and effective nutrition plan.